say people just sad and love make up things. When time Paris did about, I never take the body. When Paris did, me take the body. So oh me if you get pushed through in the come again. Me know you're gonna use somebody name on my call. But come again, and me make that man they cry real tears. And the only reason why I make me take that man there because that man they did have money for choo. We not really like broke in real life in England and them a chop chew and I do the white stuff and whole heap of money. I'm gonna go there and take any amount of money in time I want. We are saying no or. Me never deny that. But we are talk about chuck through window, push through window, me a bad bitch. No girl couldn't come this to come ramp with me. What the fuck out to her long time, big man here?
I mean, your lady Grabba, but I know so your blood clot know this. Me know your blood clot secret, dirty nasty blood clot, girl. Me know say top celebrity like a blood clot, you that call me blood clot. I mean the thief my blood clot coke. And you fuck your friend and breed her. I mean when him breed her, I'm fuck your China man and breed for the blood clot China man. And for me born the band the 24th of blood clot December. And for your band January. List the blood clot cheese. Have your blood clot file. Your blood clot call me name in a stinking mouth. And I think like a blood clot dirty house.
Blood clot reveal that fuck out to her.
Dirty clothes them. Now your blood clot house, dirty blood clot cheese. She's a can't step to me to blood clot. Dirty blood clot, dirty nasty mouth. Girl, cranny blood clot body. Your blood clot body come like when you don't use the blood clot. Cream them for your blood clot body.
Then and you take the blood clot back them and put it down.
And the back of them stink and rancid.
Big old long time granny with beer bad water run out to your passage. You know
dirty blood clot.
You're big and dirty, every blood clot you come out to your mouth.
You know Bernard blood clot.
You know Bernard but I don't know if it's James or Campbell and last name.
You don't know that woman yeah. You know,
from me. Me here for a long time say your son fuck you and me come spit where you have from
when
me.
you go call me blood clot.
So when I spit the file out word, you can't make up the story from me, baby.
Nasty stinking blood clot.
Once if it goes say, it goes say, it goes say, it goes say.
Move your dirty blood clot, jump through with that nasty dirty thinking shit and go. Move your dirty blood clot cheese. You can't step to me dirty raw body, girl.
Your girl cheese, you have to go spill my blood clot tea where you claim to say you have. Wish one thing about me, nothing hide about me, a Victoria alone keep secret. Cheese in a keep secret. And one thing with me, big pussy woman lie and make a story come like nothing to me. Cause once it goes so for me. I can't hide it inside like how our teacher little boy bottom and I hide it. No, I will not hide it. From it goes so but Lady Grabba, where you come with about jump through window, mama make up story that. Go back and check the file. Me is a body from one taller time. If you say you know me long time, big old woman, you know I know me I do the mouth work. You know that. Once upon a time as I talk my visit you and be licking at your blood clot. In real life, who knows me knows me. Where you are said to me, you know, big pussy woman. But sit down. Go blood clot, sit down. Cause you know I make no blood clot since long time fuck out or I mean, I want to bring you up to you know, so I love bring people for 40 days and 40 nights. Lady Grabba, you have a stagnant career. Lady Grabba, then you can call Spice name and you reach not even 120,000. You know that makes sense. Leave the work here. One keep selling your big pussy hole where you have underneath your blood clot foot. In real life, because you fuck from your tree, them time they're England, me day. In real life, England. Lady Grabba, remember you in your late 60s. Lady Grabba, remember good you in your late 60s. Arrest you for go blood clot rest. Fuck a girl. Arrest you for go rest. But you come and you first come make trouble with me. You come on a fake page and people them can rewind back the live the day and play it and put it on my page. You come over here come make trouble with me. You come over here good, then you fire your